What's up, everybody? Ryan and Melissa here, Vaughn Scheller Family Experience. We are self-isolating again this weekend.
Bummer.
Up at our family cabin, and
so nobody freaks out. It's in the middle of nowhere, and we have to snowmobile in here. So
yeah, it's at like 8,200 feet. It's in the same county we live in. The only way to get in is by snowmobile. It takes about 45 minutes to snowmobile in. And so there's nobody around us. So we basically go from our house directly here to the cabin. And so it's fully self-isolated, and just gonna spend like 4 days up here and then back home to, we've got the businesses that we do still have some stuff going on and still trying to make sure to manage those and make sure things are happening. And as soon as this self-isolation and quarantine and all of that for this COVID-19 is done,
we'll be ready to rock.
We'll be ready to rock. It's hitting all the businesses real hard, all the small businesses. So we've suffered quite a bit, but we are survivors and we will make it happen. And we're just it's relaxing up here. It's got a light snow going on. We got a beautiful fire and an amazing view.
Great to get up here and get out of the noise, and the media and the noise, and just kind of forget that the world around us is really uncertain right now. So it's nice. It's a nice escape for us.
So we got all our chores done. As soon as we get up here, we always got our chores. We got to clear the front deck or the front porch. We only had about a foot of fresh snow from last weekend, so we got that cleared. Got the water all on. Had a couple pipes that were kind of frozen a little bit, but got them cleared out. Got the deck all cleared off with the snow. Had some crazy icicle overhangs hanging off the roof, so we got those broken off because we don't want those falling on the kids or falling on us. And got the music on and just relaxing now. So we're gonna do some riding rest of the weekend and let Cameron ride around on a sled, get some more practice on it. All right, we're on the Scheller family sled hill. Here we go. Corbin's ready to go. There they go. Going further backwards. We built a little kicker down here off a log. I've been jumping off that thing since I was his size. So I built a little jump off for the sleds, and Cameron just hit it full speed. And he got some air.
Yeah, me too.
And Corbin even hit it backwards.
Yeah.
He hit it backwards. That's pretty crazy. Cameron, how you feeling after that big air?
My stomach hurts.
His stomach hurts. Yeah, you probably hit pretty hard on it, huh?
That's why I was trying to get up on my knees, not my stomach. That's why I was starting off like that.
Yeah, we had a pretty good little kicker. He got some air on it. So, you want to hit it again, or are you done?
I'm done.
He's done.
I want to hit it one more time.
One more time? Look at this guy. All right. I'll go down and get the shovel in you. You can hit it one more time. All right, so Corbin just launched off of that thing. Yeah, totally launched off that jump. And what happened?
I hit my nut.
Oh, that's never good, is it?
So when I hold this thing, when I hold on, when I landed, it hit my nut.
Oh, the handle on the sled hit you in the nuts.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, buddy. All right. Well, I think that's going to call it a day for sledding. And Cameron just saved the sled that went rogue down the hill and jumped on it. All right. That's enough for sledding. You ready to hit that kicker on the snowmobile yet? Maybe later? Yeah. Okay. Check out the icicles behind me. This is crazy. So what it does is it comes off of our roof, slides down, and then curls under. Pretty crazy. Super dangerous. You don't want to be under that when that falls. I'm going to break it off so it doesn't fall on the kids or on me, but check this out. This is like
Final destination.
Final Destination, huh? Maybe I'll break these off first. That would hurt.